In the world of urban apartment living, the dining room is often the most contested piece of real estate. It is the space we need for nourishing ourselves and hosting loved ones, yet it is frequently the first to be squeezed out by the necessity of a home office or an expanded living area. However, a small footprint doesn't have to mean a compromise in lifestyle. By applying minimalist layout principles, which focus on flow, function, and visual quiet, you can turn even a narrow hallway or a tiny corner into a sophisticated dining destination. In 2026, the trend is moving away from traditional sets and toward bespoke layouts that adapt to the architecture of the home. Here are the essential space-saving layout tips for the modern minimalist. 1. The floating layout. Center point dynamics. Many apartment dwellers instinctively push their dining table against a wall to save space. While this works in some cases, it can actually make a room feel smaller by creating dead zones. If you have a squarish living/dining combo, consider a floating layout using a round pedestal table. By placing the table in the center of its designated zone, you create a 360-degree flow. Round tables are layout cheat codes. They have no sharp corners to obstruct traffic, and the single central leg allows chairs to be tucked in completely. This layout feels more intentional and expensive, mimicking the flow of a high-end bistro. 2. The linear wall strategy for narrow spaces. For those living in railroad-style apartments or narrow studios, the linear wall layout is the most efficient. Instead of a bulky four-legged table, look for a wall-mounted ledge or a slim rectangular table placed flush against the longest wall. To keep this minimalist, pair it with backless stools that can slide entirely underneath the surface. When not in use, the table acts as a sleek sideboard or a console for a few curated objects. This preserves the primary runway of your apartment, ensuring that the dining area never feels like a roadblock. 3. The corner banquette or L-shaped nook. If you have an unused corner, the most space-efficient layout is the banquette. By utilizing two walls for seating, you eliminate the need for pull-out space required by traditional chairs. In 2026, the minimalist approach to banquettes involves clean, handleless benches with built-in storage. This L-shaped configuration allows you to push the table deep into the corner when it's just you and pull it out slightly when guests arrive. It creates a cozy, anchored feeling that defines the dining zone without the need for physical dividers or rugs. 4. Utilizing negative space under windows. We often leave the area under a window empty to keep the view clear. However, in a minimalist apartment, this is prime dining real estate. A low-profile dining setup placed in front of a window takes advantage of natural light and makes the footprint of the furniture feel lighter. Choose chairs with open backs, like a classic spindle or a wireframe chair, to ensure that the sunlight and the view are not obstructed. This layout connects your dining experience with the outdoors, making the small interior space feel significantly larger. 5. The zone within a zone layout. In open-plan studios, the dining area often bleeds into the living room, creating visual clutter. To solve this, use layout cues rather than physical walls. Rug placement. A rug that is slightly larger than the table and chairs locks the dining area in place, signaling to the eye that this is a separate room. Vertical alignment. Align your table with a specific architectural feature, such as a pendant light or a piece of wall art. Even if the table is small, this alignment gives it gravitas and prevents it from looking like it's just floating aimlessly in the room. 6. The multifunctional island bridge. If your apartment has a small kitchen with an island or a peninsula, don't try to squeeze in a separate dining table. Instead, create an island bridge layout. This involves extending the countertop or adding a lower-level table that bridges off the kitchen island. This creates a continuous line from the kitchen into the living space. It's a minimalist stream because it consolidates two functions, prep space and eating space, into one architectural element. Use stools that match the color of the island to make them disappear when tucked in. 7. The hidden dining room. Fold-away concepts. For the ultra-minimalist or those in micro-apartments, under 400 square feet, the best layout is one that doesn't exist 90% of the time. Wall-mounted Murphy tables have become incredibly stylish in 2026. These aren't the clunky plastic versions of the past. They are beautiful wood panels that, when folded up, serve as a frame for art or a mirror. The layout is simple. When it's time to eat, the art folds down into a table. This allows the center of your apartment to remain completely open for yoga, movement, or work during the day. 8. Mastering traffic flow and clearances. No matter which layout you choose, the secret to a comfortable minimalist dining room is clearance. Minimalism fails the moment you have to shimmy sideways to get to your seat. The 36-inch rule. Ideally, you want 36 inches between the edge of the table and the nearest wall or piece of furniture. This allows someone to walk behind a seated person. The visual path. Ensure that the path of least resistance through your apartment doesn't involve walking through the dining area. If your table blocks the path to the bathroom or front door, try rotating the table 90 degrees or switching to a narrower model. Conclusion: intentionality over square footage. Creating a space-saving dining room is less about the size of the table and more about the geometry of the room. By understanding how people move through your apartment, you can place your furniture in a way that feels effortless. Whether you opt for a floating round table, a hidden wall-mounted ledge, or a cozy corner banquette, the goal remains the same: to create a dedicated space for the ritual of eating without sacrificing the open, airy feel of a minimalist home. In 2026, we've learned that a dining room isn't defined by four walls, it's defined by the intentionality of the layout. With these tips, even the smallest studio can host a dinner party that feels grand.